Planning to build your dream home or a new project in the Philippines? Do you want to even think about a building permit until you get this one crucial document? The zoning or location clearance. What is it? It's basically a certificate that says your planned building is allowed in that specific area. For example, you can't build a factory in a zone that's purely for houses. So, how do you get it? First, gather your documents. You'll need an application form, your lot plan, land title or deed of sale, tax declaration, and barangay clearance. A simple sketch of your project helps, too. Next, head to your local city or municipal planning office to submit everything. They'll check if your project complies with the local zoning rules. If it's a go, you'll pay a fee, which varies depending on your project size. They might schedule a quick site inspection, and after that, you'll get your certificate. This clearance is your golden ticket to applying for the actual building permit. Don't skip this step. Found this helpful? Like and subscribe for more essential building tips in the Philippines.